Jai Srimannarayana, 13th sloka of 6th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Samam kaya sirogrivam dharayan achalam स्थिरः संप्रेक्ष्य नासिका अग्रम स्वं दिशश्च अनवलोकयन् Om. Discipline your body. Sit straight. Make sure neck, back and the body is balanced. Fix your focus on the tip end of your nose and meditate upon yourself every day. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending every one of us to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone. Mamekam saranam vraja." Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall discipline my body, do meditation upon myself every day. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall act according to your word. Srimannarayana, karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana." Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I realize that I shall always remember that Rajogunam is the source for all sensible enjoyments, and I shall definitely keep on trying to see that Sattvagunam is dominated and Rajogunam is suppressed in me. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimannarayana, karishye vachanam tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam Sukhamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu Tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 9th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Yaduvamsam is most sacred Vamsam. Paramatma, who is there as an indweller in all living entities, Sriman Narayana, is born in the same Yaduvamsam as Sri Krishna Paramatma. Yadu has 4 sons, Sahasrajittu, Kroshta, Nala, Ripu. And the eldest one is Sahasrajittu. He gave birth to Shatajittu. And he gave birth to Mahahaya, Renuhaya, Haihaya. Haihaya's son is Dharma. Dharma's son is Netra. Netra is Kunti's father. Kunti gave birth to Sohanji. Sohanji gave birth to Mahishmana. He gave birth to Bhadrasenaka. Bhadrasena's sons are Durmada, Dhanaka. Dhanaka's son is Krutavirya. There are other sons, Krutagni, Krutavarma, Krutauja. Krutavirya's son is Arjuna. He himself is known as Kartavirya Arjuna. Dattathreyat Harehe Amshat Prapta Yoga Mahagunaha. With the blessings of Dattatreya, Kartavirya Arjuna has got Ashtasiddhis and he became emperor of entire world. Like that Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashitravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 6th chapter, 13th sloka. Samam kaya siro grivam dharayan achalam sthiraha samprekshya nasikagram svam dishascha anavalokayan. Samam kaya siro grivam dharayan achalam sthiraha samprekshya nasikagram svam dishascha anavalokayan. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.